Hey everybody, it's Chris with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. You may have heard our carving by numbers, but have you heard of our step-by-step carving templates, books, study sticks? So the study sticks come with, number one, the study stick, but it comes with a step-by-step. This is the step we're at. Hey, we're going to work on the eyes and the eyebrows a little bit more and so on and so forth. They have a full color illustration, so you can really follow along, learn. We have wood spirits, we have ears, we have eyes. We also have some like the witch, we got the Native American, we got Santa, we got the female face. So we have quite a bit here. And we also have some new books as well. These are made by the Character Carvers America. So we have The Eyes Have It, Pick Your Nose, and then we also have the brand new one, and we're the only ones to have this so far, is the Read My Lips. This is their newest book, and it's doing really well for us. And we're one of the few people that actually carry these, so check them out on the website. I'm Chris with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop again, and this is our step-by-step carving tools and books.
Today's presentation of Coffee and Grit is brought to you by Woodworker Joe Whole Bean Coffee, a perfect blend of light, medium, and dark roast, roasted and packaged right here in North Carolina, exclusively at woodworkingshop.com.
If there's a product you'd like featured on Coffee and Grit, let us know at 800-228-0000 or email us at tech@woodworkingshop.com.